in classroom. My topic is advantages of internet.
Assalamu alaikum, all of you. First of all, my introduction, my name is Nurul and I am student of class 8 from Irvine. Today my topic is school knowledge. I am inverse of internet knowledge. We get moral ethics from school through teachers, but we cannot get moral ethics from internet.
We will start from internet everything. You have no any book in Martin. I will learn from internet like
If I have no available book, but in a society teachers are available and a library is available, I will read other books.
but you want read Renan Martin book. Where are you from? Where you take book?
If Renan Martin is not available, I will read other books like Mansur Sahab, which is the best book.
But Renan Martin is English book.
Why? I am not interested in Renan Martin. If my grammar is also based, why I am learned why I will read the book of Renan Martin. If my grammar method is also good.
But you improve English.
I have improved English by talking with teachers and with my friends in school. But if you want to improve your English, you can hear it from YouTube via YouTube or TikTok. But you cannot gossip with any others if you are in the internet learning. If I am in school, here students are available and teachers are available. I can talk with teachers and I can improve my English and talking power. If you are internet learner, if you can have learned a topic, but you have not anybody with guide you, how you learn a topic?
I will help with AI. AI will understand.
If AI has most disadvantage, internet it affects on your eyes and it wastage of time. If you use any device, if you are use mobile. To use mobile fastly, but your mobile is like drugs. Men become a habitual of internet, like playing games, seeing TikTok videos, seeing cartoons. It is a wastage of time.
First of all, you saying that our eyes is damaged. I use more internet, but my eyes not damaged. Why?
Your eyes make from stone. So why your eyes do not become damaged?
You said that eyes are damaged with internet. I use more internet. My eyes not damaged. Why?
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 You are asking my question. From me question, I am asking from you because who will give the answer?
You tell me.
I give you the answer. If you are using the internet continuously and you remain alone and you have depression and you become alone and anybody can cheat you through any device, any links. Personal information can be misused.
I will take a strong password and no one can hack my ID.
In the past, internet was not available, but teachers and schools was available. And if one man of past was learned of class 5, but he was expert from the nowadays teachers which are in the first year and year.
I am not asking.
Why you are not understanding?
Tell me
What
one
I
more
tell you?
time.
What I tell you?
Your point?
Your You tell me your point.
The internet. You want to go any other country. You book tickets on internet, but you go if the tickets are not available. What you will do?
What you say?
And say that we will go to any other country. We will book the ticket from internet, but you will go airport. There doesn't know any ticket available, what you will do?
I will take a ticket from office.
There is no ticket available, what you will do?
If I go to throw seas like on boats, on ships, throw seas.
But seas are very expensive. How, or many times are wasting.
If you have a ticket, how you travel?
With plane, aeroplane.
It is the plane to the increase the pollution in environment. But if I have to go to any other countries, I use the sea path of 8 ships. It is not degrade our environment, not destroy our environment.
How? How you can not destroy our environment?
If vehicles are made in the through internet in nowadays, but in the past vehicles are not available, and people was very healthy, and they reached at the age of 100 years. But nowadays people cannot reach the age of 102 years, but they only 16 years they will die.
You will not use internet, right? Why you are not alive 100, 2000 years, 100 or 200 years? Why?
Because nowadays technology has high level and everything is a mix of chemical. In the past people everything was paper, but nowadays everything is not paper, but it is mixed.
It is not fault of internet, it's fault of us. We can make pollution.
How? What do you say? I don't understand your mind. Repeat your mind.
You say that the internet is made pollution. Right?
So birds are also died. It is the cause of internet. It is the past of ecosystem. Through this cause of internet, our environment become a dirty and become a bad.
Internet is not fault of us. We throw trash.
If you are using a vehicle, if you are using a vehicle and your side you are in your vehicles for people you have with for other people, you are in a travel. If your accident happen and you also died, and if you died and other 5 people all died, and which your car collapsed with the other cars, their cars also damaged. And if I use a house lighting, it cannot damage me.
You cannot use vehicle.
No, I cannot use vehicle.
You can walk alone for 5 kilometers or 6 kilometers. You are being tired. How you can?
I can use the horse, camels,
You
or
have
riding.
you have camels or horse.
In a village are available. I am in a villager. In a village are available. In a cities are not available.
How are the connection of internet to pollution? How? It is not connection of internet to pollution.
How? You tell me an authentic reason.
Internet is a AI. AI is not throw trash or smoking.
It is not correct, but people misuse of internet.
How?
If I am a student, yeah, I go to school. In a one day I learned 10% ethics, 10% lesson, 10% practical power, 10% words how to sit in a city. But if you use to internet, you cannot learn anything with 100%, but you can like 10% only. But and other you waste your time in internet like playing game and seeing videos.
Games are not wasting time. It's learning something.
If learning thing we can play game practically, physically. How what we use that internet till the rest of time it will affect on our eyes.
If you have no any game like cricket, chess, or ludo, we can play on internet, mobile.
Why we can play on Twitter? If we are friend, if I am a student in my school, my friends are both are my friends. I can play with here in a school ground. It will through this practice we always remain healthy.
We can play with friends on internet. How?
If you are using internet, yeah, you are using internet, and you have no any friends be friend in the school. People get friends from school.
The school friends are playing not. School friends are not playing.
They play games in the school and physically in the playground in a village, but they cannot play game on the internet.
Everyone played one game on internet.
In your opinion, but my opinion is not.
Everyone has mobile, their own mobile.
If you said the internet is everything. Internet is everything. If we close the internet from world, and teachers are available, we can learn and everything. But if we escape the schools and teachers, people become animals. How we can learn? If teachers are not available in school, you can learn from the internet. You can learn from internet. Tell me, Dharan.
What do you have?
I say in the past internet was not available, but teachers and kind people are available. They guide to people. They learn to people. They used to learn people. But in a present, if the internet is available, but teachers are available. If we teachers we close from from the map of the world and we escape the school. Only the internet is available. You can learn from internet.
Yes.
You can read.
Yes.
How?
Internet made AI. AI understands how you can teach, how you can learn.
Who will believe at you? Who will believe at you?
Everyone believe on internet, not me.
It is a fact.
How you can teach.
If we pro education, we can do differ between man and animal. But pro internet, we can do differ between man and animal.
Tadium.